Dear students, today we are going to study division algorithm for polynomials. Division algorithm we know already for the numbers, that is when we divide a bigger number by a smaller number, then the number being divided is called the dividend. The number which divides, it is called the divisor. How many times it goes into it, it is called the quotient, and the number left, it is called remainder. So let us study this algorithm for polynomials. We have two polynomials px and gx such that the degree of px is greater than or equal to gx and gx is a non-zero polynomial. When we divide px by gx, then we get quotient and remainder. Then we can write the relationship between the dividend and the divisor and quotient and remainder by using this notation, that is px equals to gx into qx plus rx, where the remainder either it is 0 or the degree of this remainder is always less than the degree of the divisor. So let us take one example and verify the division algorithm. So we are asked to divide the polynomial x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3 by x square minus 2. So what are the steps? We have to check the number 1. The dividend and the divisor are in the standard form, that is they are written in the ascending or descending order of the degrees. The second step is divide the first term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor, that is x cube divided by x square gives us x. In the next step, multiply all the terms of the divisor by the first term of the quotient and then subtract the result from the dividend. Continue till the degree of the remainder becomes less than the divisor or remainder becomes 0. So as we can see here, we are following the same steps in the long division. X square minus 2 is the divisor and we are dividing it. So we are dividing the first term, that is x cube, with x square we are getting x. Now x is multiplied with the remaining terms of this divisor, that is x cube. We are writing it below x cube. X into minus 2, it is minus 2x. We are writing it below the like term. Then the next step is of subtraction. X cube minus x cube is 0 and 5x plus 5x plus 2x gives us 7x. So now writing it in terms of degrees, we have minus 3x square plus 7x and minus 3. So again we are dividing minus 3x square by x square, we are getting minus 3. Now multiplying minus 3 with minus 2, we are getting plus 6. Now putting it below the like term, we have minus 3x square plus 6. Again subtraction and we are getting the remainder as 7x minus 9. Why we are stopping? Now we have to stop here at this particular step because the degree of the remainder, that is 7x minus 9, is 1 and degree of the divisor is 2. So as soon as the degree of remainder becomes less than the degree of divisor, you have to stop the division. Now verifying the division algorithm, let us check whether quotient into divisor plus remainder is equal to dividend. So we are multiplying x minus 3 with x square minus 2 and adding the remainder 7x minus 9. So we are getting x cube minus 2x minus 3x square plus 6 plus 5, 7x minus 9. So on simplifying, we can see that we are getting x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3, that is our dividend part.